Could this be the case for you? Your Xiaomi Mijia 1C doesn't charge and dies instantly after you remove it from the charger? Find out how we've helped our customer's problem. In this case, a customer came to us with a Xiaomi Mijia 1C that wouldn't turn on or charge, so customer came to us to fix. Afterwards, we tried to charge the robot, but when we removed it from the charger, it wouldn't turn on. After further investigation, we found the battery was faulty, so we recommended it be replaced. Following customer approval, we initiated service and repair. Next, we test the robot before returning it, and now, it can be charged and work with maximum performance again. When the customer gets the robot back, they are satisfied. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.